guys, Mike over at Magic Turtle Productions here. So wanted to talk about tire inserts today. What tire inserts fit what tires and how to measure for them. You know, I won't go through all the tires. This is just a couple of basic tires that we have laying around the shop that I could show you. So quickly, I will show you exactly how to measure for your tire insert. You want to take your micrometer, go straight over to millimeters, and then take your tire, bring this out. You want to go right on the edge of the tread. You know, like right there should be perfect. So this is probably going to have a 100 millimeter insert, maybe 98 millimeter insert, just to give it a little tackiness on the sidewall. Take this out, we'll take this crappy foam out of here, and I'll show you the tire insert that we have lined up for these. This is going to be a 98 millimeter insert is what we were planning on putting in here. So a nice 98 millimeter insert. Also, you definitely want to be on the inside lug of this tire. So I want these a little bit wider. This is for a personal truck, so that I'm going to set these at 34 to give this tire a little bit more width. That's exactly what these inserts are, it's 34. So let's go on ahead and put this tire insert inside of here for you guys. I like to see my sidewalls bulge just a little bit, just so that when the tire touches a rock right on the side here, it can grip instead of just sliding off of it, you know what I mean? And so this insert feels absolutely perfect inside of here. These are the Vanquish Falcon Wild Peaks. These are a great tire, 4.19 by 1.9. Perfect tire for, you know, your scale trailing and stuff like that. These grip really well in the rocks as well. So let's move on though. I want to show you guys a couple of little things here. So this is a Proline TSL, your Super Swamper tire. So this is a Proline. So the Prolines typically run about 110 millimeters. And we have a insert here that is a 110 millimeter insert. Show you guys. Installed here. Fits pretty nicely. This is our Proline series tire insert. Perfect. Feels absolutely perfect inside of there. But if you take the same insert, you really want to make sure that you're putting the right insert inside the right tire. I'll go with this one here. These are normally 114 millimeters. So you got a lot of gappage there. You don't want a lot of gap. That's really bad, because that means the tire can just fold over like that. You don't really want that at all. So our recommendation is always measure the tread between the treads here. And that way you're always getting the right insert. Now you can go slightly smaller. Slightly smaller isn't bad. You can get a nice little perch here on that. See, no gappage really. Slight gap. This is normally a 112 millimeter insert that would go inside of this. That's what this is. But these are the J-Concepts holds. These normally take about 112 millimeter insert. But you can go down to 110 if you want a little more squish on the bottom without sacrificing your insert squish. But yeah, that's exactly how you do it, guys. You measure the tread there, the width and the height, and that's how you will get your insert size. Let us know if there's anything else that you would like us to go over. We'll probably be doing a couple of videos here this weekend, and yeah, so make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll get back to it. Thanks a lot, guys.